Thanks for GravaStar for sponsoring today's video with this Mercury M2 mouse. I'll leave a link in the description so you guys could download the software and mess with the mouse itself. In the software you could set hotkeys to any of the buttons, change the sensitivity of the mouse, which is pretty neat to do in the software. You could also set macro list, key list right here, and RGB brightness and speed on the mouse. That was pretty neat to do. On this last tab is the device information, and the software shows you the battery life of the mouse.
That's it for the unboxing and review. If you like this video, comment below and subscribe for future tech reviews.